Hey guys, Chris here from Nice Garage. Another installment of something that came in the mail today. My off-road H-pipe. It's a Kooks. Here's the part number. This is gonna go with the long tube headers. They haven't come yet, but as soon as I get this stuff, I'm gonna put it on my truck right away. I want to see. This is catless, by the way. This is the off-road. But I'm going to put it on my truck right away and see what the improvement is with the stock motor and see how much louder it is. I'll do a sound comparison. But I just want, this is a nice piece. I've used Kooks in the past. Used to have a Mustang and I've used the Kooks headers in off-road H-pipe and it's a great product. Looking forward to putting it on, looking forward to hearing what it sounds like and how much louder it is. Yes, it's expensive, but I think it's worth it. I plan on keeping this truck for a long time. So another piece of the puzzle, and comes with the O2 sensor extensions. One for the passenger side, one for the driver's side. I'm not sure which is which just yet. But like I said, I'm going to put this on as soon as I get the headers. And with the stock motor, it's completely stock except for a cold air intake and a MagnaFlow catback. So I'm curious to see how much louder it's going to be. If you guys have any questions, please ask. Thanks, bye.